Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 1, aka December 1st. It is currently snowing out. It's the first snow of the season, so I think it's the perfect day to put up the Christmas tree. Okay, I am definitely not sponsored by Balsam Hill, but I do think that I should be. I honestly really love their Christmas decorations, and every year I add a few new ones to my collection. So most of what you are seeing me put on this tree is indeed Balsam Hill. So I started with the red kind of like pom-pom garland. I use this every single year. I put it really deep into the tree just to kind of like fill in gaps in space and make the tree look more full by the time I'm done. And then I added on some ribbon. This is just like some black and white buffalo plaid ribbon that I've had for a while. I think the yarn and the ribbon are both from Hobby Lobby or maybe Michael's. Honestly, I've had it for a while and I don't recall. As for the picks that I'm using, the very full like bushy red berry ones, those ones are from Hobby Lobby. And then the little like sugared berries, those are from Balsam Hill, and so are the sparkly pine cone picks. Those are also from Balsam Hill. And then those little plaid ornaments are from Hobby Lobby a couple years back. And then all of the rest of the ornaments that I'm using on the tree from this point on are all from Balsam Hill. One is like the classic Christmas or like the Merry Christmas or something like that set. That's like all red and green ones. It's like the 75 ornament set. And then I have another set that is just the red ornaments, and it's like larger and smaller red ornaments that I kind of mix in there as well, also from Balsam Hill. And my tree topper I got several years ago. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite tree topper of life. It is also from Balsam Hill. Seriously, they should sponsor me, I swear. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoy me decorating my Christmas tree, and I threw up a couple extra decorations. I did my dining room table and my what's it called, my coffee table here in the living room today as well. I love this candle. I just got it from World Market, by the way, this like giant one that you'll see me put on my coffee table later in the video. It's gorgeous and I love it, and you should go get it as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I baked some cookies too, because honestly, after this whole tree decorating, I was pretty pooped. This really took it out of me. But I'll finish up my decorations tomorrow. So I'll see you guys for Vlogmas day 2 and enjoy the rest of the decoration. Mwah, bye. Bye.